Well, former Duke prosecutor Mike Nifong pleaded not guilty today to a criminal contempt charge related to his handling of that Duke lacrosse case. The three players falsely accused of rape are asking a judge to punish Nifong for hiding some DNA test results, among other things. Well, does he deserve jail time? And if he goes to jail and gets the 30 days, is that enough? Joining us now is former prosecutor Tom McKean and defense attorney Matt O'Connor. Gentlemen, thank you very much for joining us today. Tom, let me start with you. Mike Nifong knew that the accused were innocent. He lied to judges. He withheld evidence. He ruined these three guys' lives. But you don't think he should go to jail. Why not?
I think it's a little overkill. I mean, he's already held in contempt by all of the attorneys and his peers, if you will. He's been disbarred. I don't think that you accomplish anything by incarcerating him. Furthermore, you're going to create a situation where you have the chief prosecutor locked up with many of the people who he has sent to prison. And I think the security issue, it's just not worth it.
But he denied these three guys their most fundamental rights. You're saying that that deserves a $500 fine and that's it?
No, well, what I'm saying is that it deserves to be disbarred. It deserves to be recalled from being the district attorney. His life, as he knew it, is over with.
All right.
He's held in contempt by everybody who is familiar with what went on. So I don't think you accomplish anything further by tossing him into prison.
All right, let's bring Matt O'Connor into this.
Action.
So, Matt, what about that point, that you're not accomplishing anything and that really, you know, it's bad enough that he's going to be disbarred possibly for the rest of his life?
Well, number one, I just heard a former prosecutor who said they shouldn't put him in jail because he's in contempt of the other lawyers. You know what? He needs to do the maximum sentence. And I also heard Tom say that he couldn't guarantee his security. Tom knows that in jails they can segregate people. I'm sure Tom, as a prosecutor, worked with a snitch or a confidential informant. That's not a problem. The court needs to send a clear message. This is not the first time a prosecutor has lied about evidence that's exculpatory.
Yeah.
There needs to be a message that's sent, and it says, listen, you're going to be prosecuted yourself to the fullest extent of the law. And I feel sorry for the guy, and I think disbarment might have been a little bit much. But in terms of the contempt charge, he should do the 30 days, he should pay the maximum fine, and they should try to repair the integrity of the system that he so egregiously caused havoc on.
Look, gentlemen, if Paris Hilton gets 23 days for drunk driving, seems to me that Mike Nifong has ruined some people's lives. 30 days may not be enough.
She's a continual risk to society. Mike Nifong has been removed of being a risk to society at this point. His life is over in terms of any power that he has. So that all you're doing is you're not setting any type of a situation. Every prosecutor knows that what he did was wrong, and disbarment, I feel, is far more appropriate than incarceration.
Matt, I need a 10-second final response from you, please.
Pack a toothbrush. You put people in jail when they did things wrong. It's time for you to pay the piper. Have a nice 30 days.
Okay, Matt O'Connor and Tom McKean, I wish we had more time, but thanks very much for the lively discussion today.